Alkaline's New Rules getting bigger and bigger. Let's get into it. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to another Carib Fusion video. So this one is just an update video. New rules. Now recently, or previously I should say, I did a video about Alkaline, performing live in Jamaica. In fact, everybody was talking about that, not just me. So now this is just to give you some more update and just to see how much bigger this show has become. So previously it was just Alkaline performing New Rules, and since then the lineup has grown completely. I mean, now they have, he has Magnum as a major sponsor for the show, and there's a bunch of different people performing, people that you would expect, so like Movada, Jamil, Octane. But then I was quite surprised to see Shaggy, performing as well, and Taurus Riley. And what is interesting too, he has two younger, what I would say, mostly unknown acts performing as well. Someone called Diesel, which I've been listening to some of his music as of late, and he's going on really good. He's been doing work with Lee Miller, and then another guy called Frostman, which he has a song out now with international dancehall queen Sure in the video, which I'll go with a bag of things. So it's kind of nice to see that he's incorporating some new talents as well into the show, so that's quite good. People are talking, and people are saying that this is perhaps the most anticipated show of 2017. They've even spanned it into 2016, because remember, say Sting never keep, so people are saying, well, for have such a big concert, because you have people like Shaggy, Octane. I mean, Shaggy is huge on the international space, Octane and them, and they're doing really well. So for have every one of them on one show that is not a Sting or a Rebel Salute or whatever, and them for do it somewhat independently, shows that they're trying to band together and do something new and something different, which I can only appreciate, because it's nice to see that kind of unity there. You know what I mean? So I hope that people go out and see it. As far as the lineup, as far as everybody else included in the show, they have Curvy Diva and also DJ Sunshine being host of the show. You have people like Swash International, with DJ Wessie included, T Michelle, and of course in-house band, not band, but DJ Cash Price, DJ Corey, and them, and they have a represent. So I think personally the show will go on good, and there were talks about it being live streamed, but that has soon died down. I don't know how feasible that's gonna be, but a few weeks ago they were saying that they were gonna live stream it, but they've taken it off his website now, so I don't know if that's gonna go ahead, but it would be nice if he did, because I guess people internationally would like to see it. But at the same time, live streaming it could potentially hurt his international appeal, in the fact that if you stream it, people will probably pay what, $15 US to watch it, and then not see him in concert, which they'll pay a lot more. And that's another thing. The pricing seems relatively cheap. I mean, they say 1,000 for students with their ID, 1,500. I think a lot of people could potentially afford that, and that's the thing. If they live stream it, they end up losing out on that money. So it's over to you guys. What do you think about this whole lineup? Do you think that the recent upheaval with the police and all that stuff kind of bring more attention to his show and things like that? How much I want to buy on the ticket already? You know what I'm saying? How much I want to set on ready for this thing next month? You know what I'm saying? How much people decide say, yo, whether or not me's a fan, but just go look to see where I go on, if him can perform. Do you think he has the stage credibility? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Yeah, and just let me know where I go on, and I'll be back with the next video. In the meantime, I'll leave.
Stop.